As always, guys, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Also, hit that bell to be notified for future videos. Hey, what is up, guys? It is Cole over at Cuda's Diecast Customs. Welcome back to another unboxing video. So today, I just received in the mail 3 packages, and I thought it would be a good idea to do a mail call. So we got one from Dawn over at Diecast Pirate, a mystery box from a subscriber who sent me a couple cars that I needed, and one from Chuck, because me and him were doing a little wheeling and dealing from my past mail call video. So let's jump into it. So the first box I already opened, I won't lie to you guys, and I received 2 of the Ford Matchbox Ford GT40 cars. I needed these for this project. If you remember from an unboxing I did recently, this was very painted over, as you can see. It only has 1 tire. I didn't even know it had 1 tire. Guys, I haven't been down here in like a week. As a lot of you know, I had a lot of homework to do, and I was catching up so I can finish strong for the end of the semester. And this was the first time I'm down here in about a week. So when I post this video, probably on Wednesday of next week, I'm not even sure what the date is, but when this comes out, it'll be over a week I haven't been down here. So this is the first time in like a week I've been down here. So let's just say this is the first car I received. So this is pretty cool. I'm going to open it. So my plan is I'm going to take one of these apart, strip it of the parts, and then make a Gaslands build with it, with the leftover like body and stuff, because I can put any wheels on it and stuff. And then one I'm just keeping. So with the 2, whatever one's better, I'm going to keep it just the way it is. I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to do any of that, because I like this casting. It's one of my favorite old school Matchbox castings, and I don't want to mess with it, you know? Okay, so next is I'm going to move on to Chuck's box. So I sent him a video of the stuff I received from Wade, and he was interested in some stuff, and I was like, all right, we can do some trading. And he sent me a picture of he said, what are you into? And he knows Mopars, trucks, station wagons, Oldsmobiles, stuff like that. And then he took a picture of 5 cars, and he said, I will give you 5 cars, and I'll send him 3, but they're in box. Oh, Chuck, you're trying to make life difficult for me, aren't you? I love you, pal, but oh boy. Okay, we found 1 car so far. Okay, what's next? It's like Christmas, man. I didn't want to do that, but okay, here's 2. I think I know which one that is. I'm excited about that one. Got another one. 3, 4, 5. Okay. Is there anything else in there? I don't know with Chuck. Sometimes he sends notes, so I'm just making sure that there's no notes in here. Alright, there's not. So we're going to quickly clean this up, and then we're going to resume our video. So, like I was saying, guys, I was just finishing up. I hope you guys enjoyed all the videos. The part 1 of the progress build for across the US with me, Somo Diecast, Matchbox Mark, and Opal's Restorations. I had a lot of fun doing it. There was some kinks along the way with shipping, and Opal, I hope you have received it, and I hope you have started making the video, and you're starting to paint it and doing your part, man. I'm excited to see what you have to provide for Ron to work on. So guys, some updates. We are going to start this coming week. So the week that this is coming out, I will be starting that on the Monday. And what else are we working on? We are going to start our custom station wagon rat rod. I'm going to be using the Mercedes. I did a poll on my Instagram and on my Facebook page and a couple of groups that I'm a part of. and they said do something different. Do a Mercedes station wagon. And I was like, sounds like a plan. All right, guys, so I'm going to move in. I remember some of the cars, and I remember not some of the cars, so if that makes sense. So as I can see here, we have an Oldsmobile 4x4. It is a Hot Wheels. I've never seen this before, and I absolutely love it. This is sweet. You'll see this sitting here every once in a while, so that's pretty cool. That's a collector's piece for sure. A lot of these are really good conditions, but I might, if I'm desperately needing it, sacrifice them to use for parts. So this car was very actually important to me. So I have this, but my brother, when he was a bit younger, crushed it. And this is a Holiday Plymouth Superbird, my bad. And I could never find a replacement because it got crushed, but I have it now, and I'm very grateful for Chuck to hold on to that car, and I can have it again and do something with it. So that's very cool. To everyone who sends me stuff here, like Don and Chuck, I am very grateful for you guys sending me all this stuff. This is awesome. I love it all, and it will be in my collection forever. Or the parts of them will be on future builds. So what we have next is a 67, I believe. Is that it? Yep, it's a 67 442. And why I liked this one was because my neighbor has one, and I wanted to build a custom out of it. So it does have this drag double motor setup, it looks like, but I think I can make it work. So that's pretty cool. Next, this one I'm excited about because it's one of my favorite Mopars of all time, and it has these awesome rims on it. No, I will not be sacrificing this one. Oh my god, I almost broke it. But it's a Super B. And if you guys remember, hang on, we did a Super B a while back. This is my version. This is a stock version. So that's pretty cool. And honestly, I think this hood could fit on this. So that's pretty cool. The hood does open, and it has that. It's a 440 in there. That's pretty sweet. That will be going in my collection, and I'll be savoring that forever as well. Lastly, for Chuck's little thingy, I think it's another Olds, if I remember correctly. Ooh, it is. Oh, yeah. That's cool. So, it's an Oldsmobile from Johnny Lightning. It has the decal right here of the logo. It has the capped wheels. That's cool. And this is awesome. Another collector's piece right there. Blub blub. Diecast Resurrection. I hope you come back soon, man. I am very excited to see your videos, and I know a lot of other people are too. So that's awesome. So this is Chuck's load. Chuck, again, thank you, buddy, for sending me these cars. I will be sending your cars shortly, so look out for those. These are cool. These are awesome. Could honestly maybe make this back into like a normal car and take these wheels and use it for something else. Who knows? We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna put these. Honestly, I want to look at them, and you guys can too. So we're gonna spread them out all over the desk here. So that's cool. Awesome. I know my desk is kind of busy right now, but I am in. After my little break down here, I plan on reorganizing everything down here. So I got a couple toolboxes full of cars, and I'm going to start dedicating, because my whole desk is full of stuff right now. And I kind of want to make it a little neater and a little cleaner, because I'm a little disorganized, as you can see. So all the nice stuff, I'll be taking, like this stuff, I'll be taking into my room and all that stuff, because I display all my nice stuff in my room. Speaking of nice stuff, Wade, I haven't, if you're watching, I have not put your cars into my collection upstairs, but I will eventually when I get to it. So guys, the next box and last box we are coming to is Don's, and he sent me a text, and he's like, hey, I'm gonna send you a box, should be there in a couple days. And I was like, sweet. So he's like, there's a couple surprises in there, so look out for that. And I was like, that's cool, man, you didn't have to do that. And he's like, well, you know what, I think he was just feeling generous. Oh, so, and also I believe what's in here is all the 4 Horsemen build cars. So like the Studebaker Champs truck, that's pretty cool. I already got some ideas. I was gonna do this one, but we have this one for the 4 Horsemen, so that's pretty sweet. What's next? Ooh, supercar. Got the supercar. I'm not a big supercar guy, but I do like collecting them. I got a lot of them. Oh, no way. I think he's had enough of me not tapping out cars, because he got me the correct size tap in the tool. Don, thank you very much, man. That's cool. We got the custom auto. I always liked this car, but I could never find them. So that's pretty sweet. I got ideas for this, but also it's for a 4 Horsemen build, so that's cool. Alright, what do we got? We got a couple of other cool things in here. Truck. Hang on, guys, I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to show. Next we got a McLaren Speedtail. I do have one of these, but I got an excuse to maybe do a custom on one, so that's cool. Alright, so we have a rat truck, it looks like. Hang on, let me freaking Don. He can really package these well. I believe this rat truck's for the 4 Horsemen. I gotta go look at the video again. But here is the rat rod. That is cool. Very nice. Ah! Alright, that's cool. And then we have a truck. I think it's a Chevy or a Ford. Oh, you know what? I hate that. The knife goes missing and then you can't find it. So we're... I think I just cut this thing. Alright, hang on. Don packaged these so, like, even if someone got into this box, they couldn't even take this car. Very impressive. Well, it's a Chevy, I can tell you that. Ugh. Ooh. Oh, wow. I've always wanted one of these Chevys. Because I know Keith over at Outlaw Speed Shop, he does a lot of the these. He customizes them into like hot rods and stuff and drag trucks and stuff. And also Chevy's one of my favorite truck brands, so that's pretty cool. I believe that's for a 4 Horsemen as well. I think most of these are, but if not, I got a lot of cool cars. Yep, another 4 Horsemen car, the Demon. I have a couple of these now, so it's pretty cool. Another excuse to do another Dodge. I know I've been doing a lot of Dodges lately and thinking about it. I got a couple of them coming up. So like the Dodge Charger, the 70s Dodge Charger we have, that project's coming up. There's the Demon that's coming up. I'm going to do a little bit of a Diecast Mafia spoiler. So next month is a shop truck, and I'm doing a Dodge as well. Oh, that's right. Hang on, guys. I'm going back. So what I have here in my hands is a 33 Wheelie, and me, Don, and a couple other builders are doing a build-off with one of these. And I'm not going to lie, I completely forgot about this build-off. But that's going to be a fun one, I think. So I think it was, you can either make it like a normal car again, or you can make it like a gasser. And my plan probably is to make it a gasser. And that one's in June, I believe. Okay, there's a couple more things and a note. So that's cool. Probably should have started with the note. So you know what? Just to be polite, we're going to read it. Hey Cole, here are the rest of the cars for the 4 Horsemen builds this year. You also won the bonus prize for my first giveaway. Congratulations. Oh, well that's cool. I've also included the 33 Wheelie Coupe for my first invitational build. The theme is Street Rod or Gasser, your choice. Your fellow builders are, and like I was just talking about, the fellow builders for this are 2HD Cat, Ron over at Somo Diecast, Mike's Mods and Customs, Jay at Jay's Diecast Creations, Don at Diecast Private, and Paul at Diecast Graveyard. This is starting to all come back to me now. We are waiting for Paul to return from his business trip before setting a release date. And I'll let you know how to make a video announcement when your release date is set. Your friend, Don, Diecast Project. Don't forget to lubricate your piece. You got it. So that's cool. I should have probably read that first, but you know me, I am a little bit behind, and I am slow. So that's okay. So what's next? We have it's a Mazda. It's a 2015 Mazda Mx5 Miata. The Miatas. The new Miatas are pretty cool, and I like how they put 2 different wheels on. It's different. Maybe we could do something. Not really my style, but it's cool. All right. And lastly, I think it's another Mazda of some sort. I'm not really sure what this is. It's interesting. Cool though. And then lastly, I believe it's another 4-horseman build, but it's the Roger Dodger ID car. So it's the one that you scan. Believe it or not, I have one of these, but again, we're customizing it, so it works out. So guys, that's really all I got for you today, but I would like to do some reminders. A reminder that I would like to say is, if you haven't already, you should go sign up for the Diecast Graveyard race car challenge. That is at the end of May 30th, and I am doing the 67 Charger, as you see there. We are making a custom CDC race car. That's just a bit of a spoiler. And then for the 4 horsemen, again, we are doing the 70 Dodge Charger. That is at the end of the month. So if you're doing that, make sure you post at the end of the month. What else is going on? And then we're doing a shop truck. So any shop truck goes. You can do a Chevy, you can do a Dodge, you can do a Studebaker. You can do anything as long as it's a shop truck and it has either your shop colors on it or it has your logo on it, or both. Up to you. And then we have the build for Mike's Mods and Customs with the coupe. That is a giveaway, so remember that. And lastly, I am doing a super clean giveaway, so look out for that. That's gonna be a fun one. And guys, thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed. I am very grateful and happy with all the selections that my friends have sent me. Don, I owe you big time for hooking me up with all the cars, and I really appreciate that, man. That really means a lot to me. And Chuck, for your stuff, I will get your stuff in the mail as soon as possible. I'll probably send it out around Monday of the start of next week. I am recording this on Friday, so you'll get a text from me, and you'll remember that text when you watch this. So look out for that. And guys, I hope you enjoyed, and we have some builds coming soon, so I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.